Hello, good evening, welcome to my channel. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm going to share with you how I achieve this makeup look, how I dress my hair, and more. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. I'm wearing a very pretty dress today. Hope you like my styling. On this channel I like to share with you my fashionable outfits, makeup tutorials, and more. And also I like to talk about web design. So I'm a web designer. On the top page of my website, ekenepatience.com/fashion, for instance, I've mentioned some cool fashion shops where you can shop for beautiful fashion, and of course where you can find lovely outfits. For example, at the Palm Shopping Mall in Lagos, Nigeria, you can find Lacoste, Hugo Boss. You can also shop from David Wage, Diva Fashion. You can shop from Lacoste, the Buying Curve, the Benninghams, and so many other shops such as Zara, CNI, H&M, Boohoo. So you can find the listings I've done so far on my website, ekenepatience.com/fashion. I enjoy recommending fashion brands on this channel, and I hope you guys like it. I'm going to continue with this video. I'm going to dress my weave. I'm wearing my natural hair, obviously, so I'm just going to dress it, blow dry it, and put it on. Hello, good evening, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I achieve this pretty makeup look. I'm also going to talk about Saints Hair Rotterdam, real estate, beauty, and fashion. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is my simple day makeup look. I'm wearing my natural hair, this cute dress, and lovely shoes I bought from Burlington at Ohio, Dayton. So today I'm going to do tutorial related to food, fashion, and real estate. I'm also going to talk about Saints Hair Beauty Salon in Rotterdam. So Saints Hair Beauty Salon is a very famous beauty salon in Rotterdam, very close to the Rotterdam Central Station, very close to the Marriott Hotel at Rotterdam Central Station. So if you wish to dress your hair, you can dress at Saints Hair Rotterdam. So Saints Hair is a very beautiful salon. At Rotterdam Plaza, you have other exciting places to visit. You have also Van Piano Eatery there. On the top page of my website, blackman.me, I'm promoting the piano. This is the Maybelline New York powder I'm going to use. I've applied a little bit of Rimmel London foundation, cravat foundation on my face, and also Maybelline New York foundation. So I like also this darker shade of Maybelline New York foundation on my face, so I'm going to apply more of it. I'm going to use this to contour my face. Guys, I'm going to continue with this workout with me video. I'm going to speak a little bit about that. Guys, this is the finished result of this makeup look. I hope you like it. It took me about 10 minutes to create, so it's a simple day makeup look. If you have like a party to attend, you can wear this makeup look to the party. I like doing shout out for musicians, so I would like to use this opportunity to do shout out to DJ Cookie, The Band, Don Jazzy, Davido, Wizkid, Nicki Minaj, Beyonce, Rihanna. So if you have been published on my website, ekenepatience.com/music, a big shout out to you, and I hope you like my Fiverr gig. I hope you like my makeup tutorials, filming, and also big shout out to all the top-notch makeup artists that I recommended on my channel, such as Nikki's Tutorial, Jeffree Star, Manny Moore, Beauty by JJ, Patricia Bright. These are beauty fashion influencer. Do check out their videos. Also like Kali by Bell, I also recommended her on blackman.me/YouTube and ekenepatience.com/YouTube. Check them out, be inspired. I love you, take care, and do not forget to patronize the brands I recommended on my websites, blackman.me, blackman.org, myfabulousbeauties.com, fabulousbeautiesfood.com, ekenepatience.com, ekenepatience.org, Fabulous Beautiful, myfabulousbeauties.com, and so many other web designs. So check out my web design gig on ekenepatience.com/webdesigns. I love you. Until next time. Hi guys, this is the finished result of this simple day makeup look. This look took me about 10 minutes to create. I really like it. I'm going to change my outfit and share with you what I'm wearing for today.